The Blausee Nature Park, magical, unique nature at its most pure. There are lots of exciting things to discover at the Blausee Nature Park, a magical landscape spanning 20 hectares that was formed 15,000 years ago by a massive rock fall from the Kandersteg mountain. Leave the stresses of everyday life behind and explore the magnificent nature park next to the Blausee with its attractive forest paths. A short walk of 200 meters through the pristine nature park brings you to the world-famous lake and its crystal-clear waters in the most beautiful shades of blue. The striking surroundings are reminiscent of a fairy tale. Immerse yourself in an enchanting world of gnarled trees and moss-covered rocks and recharge your batteries at this unique source of power and inspiration. Whatever the season, Lake Blausee is always worth a visit. Nature woodland paths. The gorge path leads directly to the Felsen and Wolfslucht gorges, while the first path leads to the lake house and playground. Paths wide and small wind through the park, with a combination of tree roots, stones and soft earth beneath your feet. On your way, you pass imposing firs and deciduous trees, rocks of all shapes and sizes, and moss-covered, unspoiled natural features. The setting here is truly idyllic. Behind its beauty, there is a looming sad story. According to legend, Blausee used to be a clear lake where locals fished, because there are a lot of trout that live there. At that time there lived a beautiful blue-eyed girl who fell in love with a shepherd. They eventually became lovers and met at the lake every night. This lovesick couple always makes love on a boat while enjoying the beauty of the lake. Under the moonlight, the warmth of love beats the chill of the night. But one night the shepherd did not come to Lake Blausee. The blue-eyed girl kept waiting, hoping her lover would come. Morning arrived with sad news. The shepherd slipped and fell down a cliff when he was about to meet the girl at the lake. The blue-eyed girl's heart was shattered. Her poor lover must be gone for good. Crying and wailing became the girl's daily meal. Deep sadness was overflowed by the girl by continuing to come to the lake and remembering her feelings of love for her boyfriend. Her love is so great that the girl plans to follow her boyfriend to heaven, but his signs were smelled by his parents. Blue-eyed girls are not allowed to come to the lake. He was locked up by his parents to become very stressed. One night, the girl left the house without her parents knowing. The next morning, the girl's body was found lifeless at the bottom of the lake. Since then, the lake water, which was clear before, turned turquoise like the girl's eyes. Lake water is considered as the sincerity of the girl's love who mourns the departure of her lover. This romantic and sad story makes Lake Blausee even more loved by tourists. Tourists themselves are allowed to go around the lake by boat to feel the romance of love left by these ill-fated lovers. Now the management has built a statue of a blue-eyed girl at the bottom of the lake to make the legend more real. The depth of the Blausee is only 12 meters, but because it is clear it looks shallow. But travelers are prohibited from swimming here. Yes, if you want to fish there will be a special area provided. Lake Blausee can be enjoyed day and night, and has a different view in each season.